In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax rules in your Hostinger store. To get started, first sign in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're accessing the correct website if you manage more than one. This is important because tax settings apply to the specific store you're working on, so you want to be sure you're making changes in the right place. After that, click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can view and manage your site. From there, look for the option to manage your store and click Manage Store. This is where the main store controls are located, including your products, orders, settings, and store-related configurations. Once you're in the store management area, go ahead and click Settings. The Settings section is where you can control many of the important details of your online store, including payment methods, shipping options, and of course, taxes. If you're setting up your store for the first time, this is a good section to become familiar with, since you may return here often as your business grows. Inside Settings, find and click Taxes. This is the section that allows you to configure how tax is applied to your products or customer purchases. When you open it, you should see the option to add a new tax rule. Click Add Tax Rules to begin. Now you'll need to enter the necessary details accurately. This part matters because tax rules affect what your customers are charged during checkout. Depending on your store setup, you may need to provide information such as the tax name, the tax rate, and the region or location where that tax should apply. Take your time here and double-check everything before saving, especially the percentages and geographic details, so your store calculates tax correctly. If your business sells to different locations, you may need to create more than one tax rule. Just make sure each rule is entered carefully and matches the requirements for the area it covers. Accurate tax configuration can help you avoid checkout issues and make your store experience smoother for customers. Once you've filled in the required details, review your entries and save the rule. After saving, it's a good idea to test your checkout settings if possible, just to confirm the tax is being applied the way you expect. And that's it. That's how to add tax rules in your Hostinger store.